Hi guys, welcome to this quick review about this knee massager. It says wireless relaxing massage for knees, but it also works for shoulders, elbows, maybe other parts of your body. It works with vibration, heating, infrared and laser. There's not much more information here, just the related power, and we are using USB power to charge. Has a really large lithium ion battery, works with an automatic timer for 10 minutes. You can't change this duration, there's no timer here, it's already built in and it's 10 minutes. And if you charge it fully, I mean it takes about 3 to 4 hours for a full charge, then it lasts for around 12 to 16 applications. So if you'd have to do this on both sides, like 2 knees, and then it lasts maybe for around a week if you gave it a full charge. I mean, the thing is really powerful. That's the reason why the charge doesn't last forever. Here we have also small instructions manual. You can see how to put it on your knees, but I'm going to show you everything in detail, so there's not much here in the instructions manual. Maybe it helps a little bit if you have some problem, but it's actually very easy to use and I'm going to show you everything. And this is the USB charging cable which you get, so you can use it everywhere, even charge it on a power bank, for example, if you are on vacation or so. And then you can see that it's charging here. With a long press you can turn it on, but it looks like it's not working while it's charging. So with a long press we can turn it on. Of course, usually we are wearing this, but I want to also show you the inside a little bit. What I'm doing, I'm turning off the vibration, which you can do. You can also turn off the heating, but I want to show you the infrared. By the way, the laser is not working when you have it like that, because there's a sensor making sure that the laser is only emitting laser light when you're wearing it, when you have it on your knees. That's really good for your safety. So at the moment only the infrared is working. I can turn it around. You can see we have a really powerful infrared. I can hold my hand here and it's getting really warm. That's a really nice thing. Then regarding the size, you can see that here, I mean, I would say it has about an intermediate size. It's not super small, but also not super large. I would say I am a perfect average male size, not very small, not very large, just regular average man size, also not overweight. And so this fits perfectly for me. If you have super wide knees, then it could be a little bit a struggle to fit it on, but I would say it also fits for smaller size, also let's say for children or teenagers. So everything is a little bit tight here, but I still hope I can show you that nicely. So you can see we just put it around our knee, and then on this side there are 2 straps which we can use to secure it. So we can make it pretty tight and it has a really nice hold. It's a little bit difficult to record, but I hope you can see that. I have the control panel now towards me and it has a really nice hold. It's not moving away. I could even walk around, which is definitely not comfortable, definitely not recommended. But if there's some urgent thing, somebody knocking on your door, you could probably even walk with that to the door. And so we started with a long press here and it goes into this automatic mode for 10 minutes, using everything, using the vibration on the lowest setting, heating on the lowest setting, infrared and the laser. But we can change that, the vibration we can also change to low or high, or even turn it off. So we go back to automatic. Then we can do the same thing with the heating. It's now at low. We can go to medium or even to high, or even turn it off if you don't want a heating. But the heating is really cool, one of the nicer things. Yeah, I think I turn off the vibration, so it's maybe a little bit easier to understand me. But you cannot only change the heating and the vibration, you can also turn on and off the infrared and the laser with a short press here. You can see now we have turned off the laser, now we have turned off the infrared but activated the laser again, and now both of them are turned off. So you can have both turned off or individually have one on or both off. Very nice, so super flexible. Yeah, again, the heating is one of the nicest thing. It's really warm. It's really, really nice. But also the vibration is cool. I mean, when everything is turned on and you don't have to use the highest setting, even on low, there is quite something going on. I can tell you can feel that. That's massive. It's heating, it's vibration. It's definitely doing something. But of course, it won't be an overnight miracle, but it is definitely doing something. And with the heat and the massage and the increased blood circulation, I have no doubt that this can be very beneficial on the long term. So I would say this is surprisingly good. I was a little bit skeptical at the beginning, but I would say this is as good as it can get in this class for automatic knee therapy and massage. So I can highly recommend it. And so I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing where you can buy it down into the description, so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.